चैट जीपीटी सीखना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। प्रेजेंटेशन 2 मिनट में बनाना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। एआई टूल सीखना है, आ जाओ बॉस, वो भी सिखा दूंगा। 2 आवर्स की वर्कशॉप में इरिप्लेसेबल बना दूंगा।
Hello everyone. Today, let's see how we can use ChatGPT efficiently to write our cold emails. First of all, let's know what is it. When you send personalized emails to those who are unknown to you, those are cold emails. These are generally used for promotional purposes in business. Now, let's learn how to write it to attract customers. Here, first of all, I am telling ChatGPT to write a cold email for my business directly. For example, let's assume that our business is a clothing business. Click enter and see. It wrote an email, but it is a very long and boring email. It doesn't have a personalized touch to it. The length of this email goes on and on and on. I don't think anybody reads this. The purpose of this email must be to make your customers aware about your business or your services. But how will you do it if nobody reads it? So now, let's learn how to use ChatGPT efficiently. Here, I am telling ChatGPT to act as my marketer and write me a cold email for my clothing business. The email must be short and precise so that it's easier for my customer to read, and it must focus on the pain point of my target audience. Here I am doing a mistake which I will tell you later on so that you can learn. Now comes the game-changing line. I am telling ChatGPT to ask any relevant question that it needs to write my cold email. It relieves us from the process of thinking every point that we have to tell it. ChatGPT itself tells us everything that it needs to know to write efficiently. Can you see? It wrote an email for me on behalf of a digital marketing agency asking my pain points for my target audience. This blunder mistake happened because I told it to act as a marketer. So it did. It follows each and every sentences of ours. That's why it's very crucial for us to write the right prompt so that we can make it work efficiently. I will correct it, but before that, there is a good news for you. You can also learn how to do it. Guys, AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour workshop. In this workshop, we will teach you the best AI tools that will help you upskill and increase your productivity. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Okay, now let's correct what I have done. I am telling ChatGPT to ask the question from me so that it can write efficiently. The email should be personal and sensational. Click enter and then see. Here is a series of questions that ChatGPT will need to answer efficiently. Some of the questions are as follows. What is the primary pain point that I am trying to address? Who is my target audience? What makes my clothing brand unique and stand out? What actions do I want the email recipient to take after reading the email? That means CTA. Or are there any specific promotion or discount offers that are going on? Here you can see it wrote the exact cold email that I wanted it to write. It is short, precise, and very crisp for the reader to read. It has addressed the exact pain point that I wanted. First subject line, then hi, recipient's name. We understand that staying trendy fashionable shouldn't come with the hefty price tag. This line will automatically grab the reader's attention. That's about it. I hope you have understand that the key point of making ChatGPT write your emails is making it understand what I need exactly. I hope this video has helped you. If you want to learn more cool tricks, don't forget to register in the link in the description box. See you next time. Bye.